Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to copy GitHub profile link. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first thing we need to do here is we need to access any browser that we have on our PC. So in this case, I'm using Google Chrome. Now from your browser, go to github.com and from there, log in into your account. Now once logged in, you should be able to see the dashboard or main dashboard for your account. Now from here at the top right of your screen, go ahead and click your profile, and once you click on it, this option should now appear. Now from here, go to your profile, and once you click on it, it's going to reload your page wherein you should be able to see your profile. Now at the top section of your screen, you should be able to see your URL. So what we need to do here is we need to click on the URL section, and from here right click on it, and from here click on copy, and from there you should be able to copy your GitHub profile link. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.